National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bourne, or 8 miles south of Plymouth, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Barnstable, Falmouth, Wareham, Sandwich, Bourne, and Mashpee. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning.